Understanding creaking floorboards. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in stories, movies, or even experienced in real life: creaking floorboards. Stick around as we explore what this phrase means, where you might encounter it, and why it's such a vivid part of the English language. Creaking floorboards refer to the sound made by wooden floorboards when they rub against each other or the nails holding them down. This usually happens when someone walks over them, and the pressure causes them to move slightly, producing a distinct creaking or squeaking noise. It's a sound commonly associated with old houses, quiet nights, or suspenseful moments in stories and films. Several factors can cause floorboards to creak. Age is a common one, as wood contracts and expands over time due to changes in temperature and humidity. This natural movement can loosen nails and create gaps between the floorboards. Another reason is improper installation. If the floorboards were not securely fastened, they're more likely to move and make noise. Understanding these causes helps us appreciate the phrase's meaning and its use in different contexts. Creaking floorboards often appear in literature and films to create a sense of atmosphere. In horror movies, they can signify that a character is not alone, adding to the suspense. In novels, the sound might be used to describe a setting, making it feel lived in or neglected. The phrase has transcended its literal meaning to evoke emotions such as anticipation, fear, or nostalgia. When learning English, it's important to know not just the literal meaning of phrases but also their connotations and contexts. You can use creaking floorboards in creative writing to set a scene or describe a mood. In conversation, it might come up when discussing old buildings, scary experiences, or even in metaphors about things that are old but still noticeable. Thank you for joining us to explore the intriguing world of creaking floorboards. We hope this video has shed light on not only what this phrase means but also how it enriches the English language by adding depth to descriptions and stories. Remember, learning English isn't just about words. It's about capturing feelings and stories through them. See you in the next video.